Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make a roasted chicken in your air fryer. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. Two things I would like to stress quickly. One is if you do not have a digital thermometer, please invest in one. It's going to save you some time and headaches down the road and possibly save you from food poisoning. Two is make sure your chicken's not too large for your air fryer. As I was making this video, I truss the chicken. If you don't know what that is, that's just taking butcher twine, wrapping the legs and wings up. Doing so made my chicken raise up a little bit. About a minute into the cooking time, I smelt something burning. I pretty much knew right there and then what it was. As you can see, I pulled the chicken out and there's a little bit of burn marks on the skin. So I just took off the butcher twine and everything was fine after that. So just double check and make sure the chicken's not hitting any heating elements on your air fryer. All right, we are ready to get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the spices together that I'm going to be using today. I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of dried rosemary, and some freshly cracked black pepper, probably about a half of a teaspoon I'm going to put in here. Now I'm just going to stir this all together. I have 1 lemon and 1 bulb of garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these both in half. I have my chicken here. It's just over 5 pounds. It's been sitting out here on the counter for about 20 minutes. I have taken some paper towels and patted it dry. I'm going to take the skin and pull it apart here. I have some butter that I sliced. I already put one underneath the skin. I'm going to do the same on the other side here. I'm going to take our olive oil that we seasoned and rub it in good all over the chicken. Now I'm going to take our lemon and garlic and just stuff it in the cavity of the chicken. Now I'm going to take the chicken and place it breast side down. Okay, we are ready to go pop this in the air fryer. My air fryer only goes up to 30 minutes at a time, so I'm going to set it on 30 minutes and the temperature at 360 degrees. After that, I'll probably go ahead and flip the chicken over. Okay, our 30 minutes is up. I'm going to take this out, set it down, and flip it over. Okay, I have it flipped. The breast side is up now. Make sure that's not hitting the top of my burner. It is okay. Okay, we're going to go 30 minutes again at 360 degrees. Then I'll take a temp on it and see where we're at. Okay, we are an hour in. I'm going to take a quick temp on this. And this smells absolutely wonderful. Okay, we are at 160 degrees. We need this at 165 to be done. I'm going to let it go for 10 more minutes on 360. Okay, we have 2 minutes left of our 8 minutes, and I took another temp on this, and it is ready to go. So I am going to take this out and let it rest a good 10 to 15 minutes, because we do not want to cut into this now, because if we do, all the juices will escape. We want the juices to go back into the chicken. Let me tell you, that skin is nice and crispy. Do not discard your juice on the bottom of the basket. That'll make a wonderful gravy. Mm-mm-mm. Get some of that skin. Yummy. I could just eat the skin and not the meat. Nice and crispy. Breast is not my favorite part, but this is pretty darn good. So if you like this video, you might want to check out these other air fryer recipes that I have. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.